Hi, welcome to Future Technos. Today, we are going on a detailed journey together. This is not going to be a short look, but a full breakdown in simple language that everyone can understand. I want to take you step by step, carefully, so that you feel like you are part of the whole experience. Technology can often be confusing, but my goal here is to make it clear and easy to follow. When we talk about new devices, upgrades, or even the direction in which companies are moving, it is easy to get lost in technical terms. But here, I want you to feel like we are having a normal conversation. No complex words, no rushed explanations, just a steady flow where every point connects to the next. Technology today is changing so fast that many people feel left behind. Every year, new models are released, new features are introduced, and marketing pushes us to believe that we always need the latest version. But the truth is, the story behind these upgrades is more important than the shiny features on the surface. Each device, each product, tells us something about the company's vision, the needs of users, and the trends shaping the market. That is why we are here, to go deeper than just specs and numbers. We will break down the reasons why certain features matter, how they improve real-world use, and whether they are worth your attention. This way, by the end of this journey, you will not only know the product, but also understand the bigger picture. Let's start with the foundation. Every new release usually begins with a promise: better performance, better design, and better user experience. But what does better really mean? For some, it is faster speed. For others, it is a lighter body, a longer battery life, or smarter software. The meaning of better changes depending on who you are and how you use your device. This is why companies like to balance power with simplicity, offering something for both professionals and everyday users. When we look at the design of modern devices, it is clear that aesthetics matter just as much as performance. A sleek body, a premium finish, and a lightweight frame create the first impression. But beyond looks, design also affects how you use the device every day. Comfortable grip, easy button placement, durable materials. These small details make a big difference. This is why reviews often highlight both the look and the feel, not just the specs on paper. Performance, of course, is always at the center. Processors, sensors, screens, and batteries define how smooth your experience will be. A powerful chip can handle demanding tasks like editing, gaming, or streaming. A high-quality display brings colors to life and makes every detail sharp. A strong battery ensures you can go through your day without worrying about charging. These parts work together, and when balanced well, they create the kind of experience that keeps you satisfied for years. But here's something we often overlook: software. Hardware may be the muscle, but software is the brain. Smart algorithms, efficient operating systems, and regular updates can make even modest hardware perform well. Companies know this, which is why they invest heavily in software optimization. It is not just about what the device can do today, but how well it will continue to perform in the future. Another key factor is user customization. People want to feel in control of their device, adjusting settings, personalizing layouts, and choosing features that match their lifestyle. This is where innovation often shines, when a company gives freedom to users without making things complicated. The balance between simplicity and flexibility is delicate, but when done right, it creates loyalty. Competition also drives progress. When one brand introduces a new feature, others quickly follow, adding their own twist. This cycle pushes the entire industry forward. It also means that as consumers, we benefit from faster innovation and better options. At the same time, it creates pressure to always keep up. That's why knowing what truly matters helps you decide wisely, instead of chasing every new release. As we move further, we will look closely at performance in real-world conditions, not just in numbers. We will also explore the camera systems, since they have become a centerpiece of modern devices. From casual photos to professional-level video, the camera defines much of the value people see. Battery life, charging speed, connectivity options, and durability are other areas that need careful attention.